In modern China, a difficult dish is made simple with the aid of AI. The AI cooker is also expected to produce authentic Chinese food without a chef. These American students might be among the first to understand the significance of this technology.
I mean, as far as cooking technology, sure. Once we get into bigger things that are putting lives in danger, like cars, I wouldn't trust as much. We've been treated great. It's been a perfect experience. I've been super happy here. I already don't want to go back. I still have like a week and a half left, but I want to stay. It's awesome here. My international relations degree is kind of focusing on China. So I had a pretty good understanding of history up to modern history, but anything that's going on in the country today, current affairs, has all been very new and impressive to me.
Michael finds Chinese cooking harder than his research on Sino-US relations in the 1970s.
I think they said 180 there. I feel like just like being able to come here is a lot kind of like more conducive and like enriching to like understand just like daily life in China and like see like what's happened and like how progress has been made in the past. I feel like I had a pretty positive impression of China. I think there's like a lot of animosity and like ambiguity from like an American perspective and like a policy perspective. And being able to visit China like really like sort of like helped, you know, me like personally like work past like some of like my own like ambiguities about China. Here. How they? It tastes like just. I mean, I like it. I'm gonna take a picture for my mom as well.
Okay. Before they end their visit on Friday, the U.S. students will also see other examples of transformation of life in China being brought about by digitalization. 罗思蕊 CGTN 杭州